With another Codewars challenge. This one's a level 8. We're going to do it in Python, and it's called What's the Real Floor? If you want to try it out beforehand, there's a link to it in the show notes. You can try that before you watch the video. All right, so Americans are odd people. First floor is actually the ground floor, and there is no 13th floor due to superstition. Write a function that gives the floor name in the American system, returns the floor in the European system. With the first floor being replaced by the ground floor and the 13th floor being removed, the numbers move down to take their place. In the case of 13, they move down by 2 because there are 2 omitted numbers below them. I'm probably going to screw this one up a lot. I already can have a tell here. Okay, so if you're given an American floor, that's first floor, it's the 0th floor in Europe. 0 is 0, 5 is 4. Okay, so then basically everything over 13, you got to subtract 2, and everything under the 13th, you gotta leave it alone, or anything that's negative, basements. All right, let's try that out. Okay. So first off, let's do some edge cases. So if the floor is less than or equal to 0, it looks like we just need to do nothing on those. So we'll return the floor. All right, next edge case. So LF, the floor is greater than or equal to let's see. Okay, less than 13. We will return in -1, and then finally we return in -2. Okay, so I think I got this right. If it was 0 or less, it's just going to be leave the number alone. Otherwise, return the number -1 because we got to take 1 floor off, and then we're superstitious over 13. We got to subtract 2. So let's see if that works. All right, good enough for government work.